Hello everyone and welcome back in How to XV. So it's been a while we haven't spoken about splitboarding, so today we're gonna go through the 10 most common mistakes which you might want to work on and which will make a massive difference once they're erased from your splitboarding. So bending the upper body whenever you try to get some grip under your skins.
So if you do that, you lose the grip, right?
So against that, always remember, put the weight on your heels. Whenever you're touring, it's always very tempting to climb steep. It's harder to get the grip, you need a better technique, so it's gonna use that much more effort to try to have the right movement.
It does work. Quite a lot of effort.
By climbing less steep, it will be a bit more effortless and you might be thankful in the long run.
Taking a good 20 degrees angle.
Whenever you're touring, don't lift your ski off the ground and then back on because you're wasting a lot of energy. You need to glide your ski always. Snowboarder style always goes with a lot of stance, but when touring you need to have your feet quite close together. You're gonna save also again quite a lot of energy and you're gonna be more efficient and more balanced.
So for example, here being on the flat with the heel raisers on, uncomfortable.
You need to take them off whenever there is a flat section. Don't keep them on because it's going to be uncomfortable and you're going to waste energy again. Whenever you start to lose grip in your traverses, the tendency is to kind of bang into the snow instead of trying to create a friction between your edge and the snow, which is going to give you a much better grip. Also, neglecting the use of knife can be quite a big mistake, so either not take them or not put them early enough.
The good old knives, don't forget them.
Whenever you feel that there's going to be a hard section, just don't think, you put your knives and it's going to be effortless.
Voila! Los knifes!
When touring on the long flat section, it's nice to have the boots open, the high backs completely open, and even the bindings not too tight. But whenever it gets technical, you really need to not forget to tighten your boots, tighten your bindings, and have your high backs into forward lean position. It's gonna give you a lot more sideways steepness, which is gonna be a lot more effective when you're gonna have to be traversing on harder conditions.
Instead of making my step and having to have a really big angle with my skis, I always like to give a bit of angle with my lower ski. That way, much easier, much more comfortable. You have a lot less angle to give to make your kick turn.
Having the timing and placement of your arms dialed in the kick turn will make all the difference.
Initiate the turn, open your top arm, turn your ski, bring back quite forward your now top arm, and then bring your ski, give a little kick. But the position of the arms is very crucial.
Et voila, this is not rocket science, it's 10 points that you need to integrate into your head before you go touring. Feel free to work on them and you're gonna see very quickly a huge difference into your efficiency in the mountains. So enjoy, integrate all of that and have a great winter.